I have found over the last couple of years I have been eating way too many carbs and very few roughage things, and I don't do the Metamucil on a regular basis, so without too much information, I've been having issues, so I've stayed away from the pasta and the rice and the bread and etc., etc. It's been a month now, so I've had like one little waffle twice, and I am enjoying egg in the hole this morning. Yes, I am. Hole in one, perhaps hole in two. There's the hole, and there's the filler that was in the hole. You fry that up, you put margarine on each side of it. Oh my heavens, it's so good. It really is. So good. So I thought I would make a little video just to show you what I'm doing today or what I did this morning while I wait on a delivery of prunes. Yeah, I bought a bunch of canned fruit and canned pineapple and sauerkraut, which I found was loaded with salt. Way too much salt for me at 65. And the serving size is a half a cup. Well, at dinner I had like a cup of sauerkraut alongside of my meal. And it was way too much. So over 3 days of having it back to back, my legs swelled up. Looked like somebody blew up a balloon. So I have to pull back from that. If it's not one thing, it's another, but at least I can measure out a half a cup and not have it, and maybe only have it once a week. Because I do enjoy sauerkraut. Who else likes sauerkraut? Leave me an answer in the description box below. I know I do. So, does anybody else do egg in the hole? I really was craving protein, so I needed the egg. Yeah, I needed the egg, and I wanted the bread so bad. Oh, I did really well up until this morning, doing without the bread, because I typically don't eat too much bread prior to, well, growing up. I guess I started eating bread on a more regular basis in my 30s, I suppose. Anyhow, that's beside the point. I just thought I'd just take you along, make a little video, because what else am I going to do in the winter? I do have some surprises coming through the mail to help me set up another grow room in my living room. Yeah, you do what you do what you can, and you make the best of it. And I enjoy the heck out of it. I got 2 little tomatoes on the vine of a 2-year-old tomato plant that I started back in November of 2022. Yes, indeedy, folks, you heard me correctly. And there's my egg in the hole. And there's the part of the bread I cut out for the hole. And put a little, wait for it, put a little, or a lot, syrup. Ooh, I feel like I'm in heaven. Yes, I'm in heaven with bread and syrup. Oh my goodness. If we all could derive joy that I got this morning, or I received this morning from this breakfast, everybody would be so happy right now. It wouldn't matter what the weather's doing. Each bite would be delightful. Yes, it would. Take care, folks. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of silly. You got to do a little silly from time to time.